Welcome to navigating your online Blackboard course. If you take a look at the screen in front of you, you'll see to the left is a menu that's called the course menu, and it's also your primary navigation menu for the course. On the right-hand side is the content area, which is where you'll participate in your course. If you take a look click on the home page, what you will see is a link to the announcements area and also a to-do list. The to-do list includes due dates for upcoming assignments. If you click on more announcements under the My Announcements area, it'll take you directly to the announcements page and you'll see all announcements for the course. If you click on announcements, this takes you directly to that announcements area. As you'll see, there are announcements from your instructor to you as a student. If we take a look at here's a welcome to the course, more information to the course, and how to navigate the course as well. The next area is getting started. This may not be something that's in all courses, but it's put into this course to help you get a start to the course. So as you'll see, there is navigating the Blackboard course, the course menu to help you get started. There is where is my course material to help you understand how it's organized, hardware requirements, internet connection, etc. Then of course there's a link to this video, how to navigate the course. Contact information will have contact information for your professor, as well as listing their office hours and other information as well. The syllabus link takes you to the syllabus for your course. This can be a critical thing, and it's very important to read your syllabus and understand the expectations for the course, the expectations for the instructor as well, and for you. Here we are using an example of a learning module. There are two ways to navigate through a learning module. One is through the table of contents, where you can randomly select different documents. The other navigation tool is progressing through page by page, as you can see over here, and it will progress through each page, and you can go forward and backwards in your navigation. In this course, there are three modules. First is an introduction to learning online. The second is to navigating Blackboard, and the third is tips for success. An introduction to learning online should help to understand how courses are generally designed and how to work in an online course. The second module, Navigating Blackboard, takes you through the different steps and learning to use the different tools within Blackboard. The third module is Tips for Success, and this has different articles and different documents to help you succeed in an online environment. Discussions can be linked both from within a module itself or from the Discussions tab. From the module, you'll see just that discussion in that module. From the Discussion tab will take you to the discussion board or forum, and you'll be able to see all of the discussions within the course and be able to access them. WebEx is an example of video conferencing. This is generally used in synchronous courses and can also be used as online office hours in a course. My Grades is the area where you go to view your grades for the course. Here you'll be able to see all assignments, your assignments that have been graded, upcoming assignments, and those that you've submitted. To see your results, just click on the title of the assignment and you will be able to see information about the assignment. You can also see upcoming assignments and also submitted assignments. If you click on the title for your assignment, you'll be able to see the assignment that you submitted for the course. The next section is SUNY Cortland Resources, and this is a variety of resources to help you succeed in your course. And then finally is the link to Blackboard Help for the course. This helps you with different tutorials, guiding you through the the Blackboard environment and working in Blackboard.